In India and many other countries, documents act as an identity to a person. They very well define an existence of a person too. The lack of valid documents will cause a lot of hindrances. Hi guys, I am Issa, an FY BCom student at Jai Hind College, and today we will talk about must-have legal document for students and their benefits. Now starting with birth certificate. The birth certificate is an official and a permanent record of a child's existence. The child who is not recorded at birth is in danger of being denied the right to an official identity, a recognized name, and a nationality. It is a primary source for all other documents too. Here are some benefits of birth certificate. Now, starting with admission in school or college. Secondly, as a proof of age for employment. Third, as a proof of age for marriage. Fourth, to establish parentage, etc. Now, warning, the name of the applicant, father's name, surname should be same as in all other documents. Any error in birth certificate should be rectified before applying for any other document. If you want to apply for birth certificate or make any correction in a birth certificate, you can visit this website here. An Aadhaar card is a 12-digit individual identification number issued by Unique Identification Authority of India. It is a single most important document as it serves as a proof of identity and address anywhere in India. There are two types of Aadhaar card. First one is a Bal Aadhaar card, which is in blue color, and this Aadhaar card is issued to children below age of 5. Now, second one is a Aadhaar card, which is in red color, and this Aadhaar card is issued to an individual above age of 5. You should update your mobile number, your email ID, your photo, and your biometrics upon attaining the age of 18. Here are some benefits of your Aadhaar card. Helps in college admissions, serve as an identity proofs, acquisition of your driving license, acquisition of your passports, job application, opening a bank account, and filing income tax return. If you want to apply for your Aadhaar card or make any correction in your Aadhaar card, you can visit this website. Third one is a domicile certificate, a document that certifies a person's residential status in a particular state. Domicile certificates are issued by respective state government. It is a must-have document for admission in courses such as MBA, law, medical, engineering in colleges. It is also the must-have document for application for jobs if there is a state reservation. It also helps in availing state government schemes and subsidies. If you want to apply for your domicile certificate or make any correction, you can visit this website here. Fourth one is a caste certificate, a documentary proof which certifies that an individual belongs to a certain caste. Now, it is a must-have document if you belong to any reserved category. Benefits of caste certificate: admission in school or colleges under reserved category, seats in competitive exam, application for jobs in government sector for reserved category. If you want to apply for your caste certificate or make any correction, you can visit this website here. Fifth one is a school or college leaving certificate, a document which is issued by academic institution where a student is enrolled for a course. It is a must-have document for higher education. Apply to your school or colleges to obtain leaving certificate. Now, warning, keep at least 2 to 3 color xerox of your leaving certificate for future reference. Sixth one, transfer certificate. A transfer certificate is required by school to move a child from one school to another one. The main purpose of transfer certificate is to release a child from one school so that they can join in another one. It is similar to your leaving certificate. Now, warning, keep at least 2 to 3 color xerox of your transfer certificate for future references. Seventh one is EWS certificate. Economically weaker section certificate is like a caste certificate validating that someone belongs to an economically weaker strata. This certificate can be made by open category individual who do not have any other reservation. Family annual income must be below 8 lakhs to apply for EWS certificate. Here are some benefits of EWS certificate. Admission in school and colleges under reserved seats, seats in competitive exam, application for jobs in government sector under reserved category. An Indian voter ID card is issued by Election Commission of India to the adult domicile of India who have reached the age of 18, which primarily serve as an identity proof. Benefits of voter ID card: acquisition of your passport, cast vote in municipal, state or national election. If you want to apply for your voter ID card or make any correction in your voter ID card, visit this website here. A passport is issued by Ministry of External Affairs of India to Indian citizens for international travel purposes. It is one of the most important and must-have document for Indian citizens. Benefits of passport: appear in exams like TOEFL, IELTS, SAT, GMAT, etc. for traveling abroad, application for international universities, application for jobs in MNCs, etc. If you want to apply for your passport or make any correction in it, you can visit this website here. Permanent account number is issued by Income Tax Department of India. Warning: a person can hold one PAN throughout his life. Holding multiple PAN is a criminal offense. Benefits of PAN card: it serves as an identity proof. Opening a bank account, opening a DMAT account, helps in IT return filing. Claiming refunds of income tax, helps in buying and immovable assets, etc. If you want to apply for your PAN card or make any correction in it, you can visit the website here. It is a permit to drive a specified vehicle on a road issued by Government of India. Now, talking about the benefits, it is a personal identity proof. If you want to apply for your driving license or make any correction in it, you can visit the website given you. If you like this video, hit on the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like these.